Manistee National Forest. Established in 1938, this flourishing ecosystem encompasses over 500,000 acres of forest, including thousands of lakes and miles of sparkling streams and rivers.
A playground for all those humans who are lucky enough to come here. Old, ancient forests. Great times.
The Pere Marquette River flows through the Manistee National Forest and is named after some old white French guy. With headwaters in Lake County, the river flows over 60 miles into the Pere Marquette Lake and from there into Lake Michigan. The Pere Marquette River is a sanctuary for wildlife, as you will now learn.
Every summer, salmon swim up these rivers to their territorial, historical mating grounds to get jiggy with other salmon. They can be seen up to 3 feet long in this river. Beautiful fish. The fauna and flora of this area are useful for many things. For instance, I believe this herb here can be ground into a fine powder and mixed with deer hide, and it will make you live 2 years longer. The roots, if you boil them into a tea, it will make you a funnier person, but only to those under the age of 15 or over the age of 25. Another plant. These are the red periwinkle. Do you see these things? What do they remind you of? Fireworks? Me too. These can be ground and put into your July 4th celebratory explosions and will create great balls of giant red and white light. Oh, hello again. You would like more plant information? This here is a milkweed plant. If you look close, it looks like a cucumber with big fuzzy hairs on it. The cool thing about these is you can pop the top, peel the stem, open it up, and inside there are some white fuzzies. If you open it even further, it looks like a peacock's tail. And if you mush that together, they turn into a crazy array of white fuzzies. That's it. Be very quiet, for right here is the American leopard frog. These things' legs are delicious. What I'm going to try to do now has never been done before. I'm going to bite its leg off of the wood. Be very quiet. Drat. This branch of the Pere Marquette has many trees tipped over into the river. That sounds like an eastern toad. These birds stay close to the ground, often scratching their legs. They can be found near banks of rivers. They eat insects, caterpillars, grasshoppers, and other insects. Their call is very distinct, and it sounds like they're saying, "Drink your tea." The Native Americans called them green tea drinkers, which is Native American for green tea drinkers. Dusk time and the Pere Marquette is a dangerous place for both humans, animals, and fauna. What is this? Do you see this track here? That is quite large. The handprint is almost as big as mine, with fingers as big as a small child's head. This can only be one thing. I think this is a river liger. These creatures prey on all types of mammals, amphibians, plants. They'll eat whole trees for breakfast. I think it is time we move on now. I'm just imitating the American coot. These birds stay low to the ground, hunting for prey in a voracious way. They'll eat anything from flowers to felines to fembats to pheromones to flamboyant fools.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that.